Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Insane Facts. Today, we talk about insane scientists and their insane creations, so let's go.
Johannes Gutenberg is known for having designed and built the first known mechanized printing press in Europe. In 1455, he used it to print the Gutenberg Bible, which is one of the earliest books in the world to be printed from movable type. Leon Battista Alberti is considered the father of early Renaissance art theory and, because of his great adaptability, the archetypal universal man. He is perhaps revered first and foremost as the founder of modern architecture and also the founder of anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument that Alberti invented in 1450 for measuring the wind speed. This type of anemometer has a spinning wheel. The stronger the wind blows, the faster the wheel rotates. The anemometer counts the number of rotations, which is used to calculate wind speed. Peter Henlein, a locksmith and clockmaker of Nuremberg, Germany, is often considered the inventor of the watch. While clocks have existed since the 13th century, it was not until the 16th century that they were miniaturized and became the first watches. Galileo, from the 17th century onward, Galileo has been seen by many as the hero of modern science. He is renowned for his discoveries. He was the first to discover telescope in 1606 and report telescopic observations of the mountains on the moon, the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and the rings of Saturn. Blaise Pascal. Pascal is famous for his contributions to probability theory and his work with Pascal's triangle, which is used in binomial expansion. Pascal is also known for inventing an early digital calculator in 1640 to a syringe, a hydraulic press, and the roulette wheel. Sir Isaac Newton. Newton is the man behind in 1687 discovering the laws of gravity. Sir Isaac Newton was also responsible for working out many of the principles of visible light and the laws of motion, and contributing to calculus. Thomas Newcomen was a British inventor, ironmonger, and engineer of the late 18th and early 19th centuries. He is best known for inventing the atmospheric steam engine in 1712, which was used as a more effective means to pump water out of flooded mines than by bucket or by horse. Gabriel Fahrenheit. He is best known for inventing the mercury thermometer in 1714 and developing the Fahrenheit temperature scale 1724, which is still commonly used in the United States. Benjamin Franklin suggested the use of lightning rods to redirect electricity away from buildings to keep them from burning down. In 1760 by tying an iron key to a kite string during a storm. He was able to identify the electrical charge as being the same as in a Leyden jar. This proved lightning was electricity. Alessandro Volta. The electric battery was invented by Italian physicist Alessandro Volta in 1799. This invention provided the first source of continuous current. The word voltage comes from Volta's name. The volt, a unit of measurement regarding the strength of an electric current, was named in his honor in 1881. Joseph Nicephore Niepce was a French inventor and one of the earliest pioneers of photography. He invented the world's first camera in 1816. This camera took at least 8 hours to produce the first photo ever taken. Known as View from the Window at La Grasse, the first known photograph was a result of experiments conducted by French inventor and photographer Joseph Nicephore Niepce. Samuel Morse was an American painter and inventor who developed an electric telegraph in 1830s. In 1838, he and his friend Alfred Vail developed the Morse code. Michael Faraday is one of the world's greatest experimental physicists, is known as the father of the electric motor, electric generator, electric transformer, and electrolysis. He wrote the law of induction and is known for the Faraday effect. Johann Schweiger. He was the professor of theology in Erlangen. In 1820 he built the first sensitive galvanometer. He created this instrument, acceptable for actual measurement as well as detection of small amounts of electric current, by wrapping a coil of wire around a graduated compass. The instrument was initially called a multiplier.